TMC party is in shambles. Where is India Alliance? Who is participating in India Alliance? Where is India Alliance? How does it matter, when the party is in shambles? TMC party is in shambles. The original TMC party is out of Mamata Banerjee's hand. And she is going to Delhi to again, create commotion. And I suppose India Alliance meeting is on the 8th. Where is India Alliance? The CPM party has already, the All India General Secretary, Mr. Bedi, has already written a letter to Congress. Congress has been alleging that CPM and BJP are together under the table. So Mr. Bedi's allegation is, why are you calling us for India Alliance meet when you think you have put this allegation on us? So they aren't going. Mr. Stalin, DMK, they are saying they will not participate because his opposition has been taken into India Alliance. Lalu Prasad is sick. He is not going. TMC is in shambles. Who is participating in India Alliance? Where is India Alliance? India Alliance has been completely sidelined and discarded by 140 crore people of Bharat.
MP Yusuf Pathan has discarded that neither TMC chief or anybody has asked him to vacate the seat for Mamata Banerjee.
Vacate the seat for Mamata, I didn't understand.
Yusuf Pathan has said, made it clear that neither TMC chief or nobody has asked him to vacate the seat on behalf of Mamata Banerjee.
I'll not be able to comment on Mr. Yusuf Pathan's. He's half the time he's not seen in his constituency. So whether he is there or whether he joins another party, it doesn't really make a difference for the people of his constituency.
Madam,
it is the same with Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, Mr. Kirti Azad, Mr. Yusuf Pathan. They are not seen in their areas, in their constituency. How does it make a difference whether he is in TMC or TMC2? How does it make a difference?
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.